My father and his 4 brothers, when they were young men, were a choir who used to sing at the high holidays. They loved music. My father was a tenor. I think he made better dresses than he was a singer, but even so, they loved to sing. And my parents decided that I was going to sing as well. And so I was given lessons by anybody who would listen to me. First, it was my mother. And the way I learned my songs was she would play what you would call a disc now, but it was a 78 record. And I would learn the songs off the 78 records. And that became my repertoire. Judy Garland singing the lullaby. I can sing it in Yiddish. Let me see if I can. In dem Beis Hamikdash, in a Winkelcheder, sitzt die Almune Bas Zion allein. Ihr ben Juchadul Jingele, liegt sie gesät. Singt sie mal Liederle, schluffen sie gehen. Ay, 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 ay. It was Lejinkas and Mandolin, and Judy Garland sang it in English, which was very nice because that gave me a whole big thing. I could sing it in Yiddish and English.